Should you stick with these big safe plays, or are there better bets for your money? Our next guest has a few different ideas. Steve Grasso is Director of Institutional Sales at Stewart Frankel and a CNBC Fast Money trader. Steve, it's good to have you. First of all, would you disagree with anything that Rebecca just said, or is this just a way for people who want, like she said, that's the play if you're looking for kind of safety? What's the play if you want maybe a little bit more upside? Where would you go?
So first of all, big fan of Rebecca. She's been right for a very long time. But I think, Kelly, what people have made the mistake of is thinking that large cap tech is safety. So if you look at through the prism of off the March low, IWMs are up 93%. Small cap, Russell, up 93% off that low. Currently, right now. If you look at triple Qs, technology, it's up 78% off the March low. So if you change that dynamic and say, well, everything ran. Okay, so let's look at from October 1st. Apple is actually down from October 1st this year. And if you look at Trinseo, a name that I've picked for a while now, TSE, that's up 62%. If you look at GE, deep value, that's up 80% from October 1st. If you look at Microsoft, that's flat from October 1st. So I would say those 6 names that you talk about all the time on your show, that's the old guard. People are going to change habits, and it's going to take them a long time to change habits on those names, right? So look at the value plays. GE, TSE, WRK, WestRock, names that you don't talk about, Olin, OLN. These are names that are going to be the new guard. These are the value names. These are the deep value names. But old habits die very hard. But we're just a blip here. Yeah. When Rebecca talked about low rates, the 10-year is up on a percentage basis over 70% since August. That requires you to make changes in your portfolio. That requires you to buy value.
Fair enough, Steve.
You want to buy value in a rising rate.
I take your point, and I think a lot of people, are making that argument and are certainly sympathetic to it, certainly. But let me ask you about the rest of the portfolio of names that I have here quickly. You have Capri Holdings, you have Sonos and Virgin Galactic is not exactly a deep value stock.
No, so you have to round out your portfolio. Rebecca talked about it too, diversification. So my main picks are GE, Capri Holdings, Trinseo, Olin, and then I got to round it out. Sonos is a hidden value / growth play. That one I expect to be much higher in short order. And Virgin Galactic, that's my moonshot, Kelly. I think the world, that's going to be the next frontier, not the final.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.